She's doing very, very good with her new friends, being the non-social dog that she was. Aloha, Maui, get back. Maui, move it. Okay, honey. Okay, honey. Okay, get back. Okay, guys, this way. Come on, honey. I'm using the longer leash so she can engage with my dogs a little more. Getting her used to the colors and shapes of these well before I take her through it for the enrichment training. Skittish dogs really need enrichment training, starting very gentle, of course. She's doing so good. She's doing so good. And of course, with a training collar and a skittish dog, we're going to use pressure as opposed to leash corrections. This way. Good. Good girl, honey. I want to get that tail up a little bit. This way. Come on, honey. Come on. What is that tail down for? Come on, honey. Come on, honey. Kelly, come on, honey. Come say hi to your friends. Come on, honey. Oh, she's so good. Get to get that tail up. Come on, honey. This way. Come on, honey. Go. Good girl, honey. She's so good. This way. I'm going to move a little faster so she can release a little more stress. It's a new environment. New dogs that she typically doesn't like. That's the girl. Okay, this way, pressure, this way, pressure, good, good, this way, good girl, Kelly. Come on, honey, you're so good, you're so precious. There's the deal. Good. It's doing very, very good with my dogs. Good girl. Good girl, honey. Good. Come on, honey. Good. Something over, oh, a truck. I'm gonna let her investigate. You want a curious dog, a fearful dog, to be able to investigate their curiosities, or as the case may be, fears. Oh, honey. Come on, honey. Come on, honey. You're so good. You're so good. This way. Good. You're so good. That's the girl. I want to see that. My whole mission is to get that tail up. Good girl, honey. She doesn't have her brother. Her brother is her security blanket. Oh, honey. Yes. Well, Mama and Papa too, but while she's here. Easy. Good. Good. Remembering the marker good to continue doing what you're doing because it's just so good. She's a good girl. This way. Pressure. Good girl, honey. Good. Good girl, honey. Good. She loves her loving. Come here, honey. This way. Come on. Curiosity. Nurture, nurture, nurture that curiosity. This way. Pressure. Good. So get that stick out of the way. Huh? She doesn't care about hula hoops. Good. As often as possible, I want her to see my back when I say this way, so she understands we're moving in a different direction. Turning this way. Good. Easy. This way. This way. Come on, honey. And this is how we're going to begin the enrichment training. This way. I'm going to have her follow. This way, honey. Okay. Okay, honey. Come on. Whoop. Didn't like that one. Didn't like that pass, did you? Okay, this way. Come on, honey. Good. You ready? Come on, honey. This way. Okay, this way. Come on. This way. Mommy, this way. Come on, honey. Good. Okay, guys. Kelly, this way. Come on, honey. Okay. Okay. Kelly, this way. She's not going to have it. I'm going to try to scoot this over a little bit more. Good girl, honey. I'm not going to force her to do anything. Good girl, honey. Watch her dog. Have her this way. Watch my dogs. Go in. Go through. Go through. Good. Good. Mommy, come here. Through. 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 Yes. Through. Yes. Come here, honey. Through. And she's learning by watching him. Good boy, Maui. Through. Good boy, honey. Good boy, honey. My honey. He's my honey. He's my silly boy. He's my silly boy. Leave it. Come on, honey. Okay. Leave it. She doesn't get to bite him. She just plays a little too rough with him. You ready, honey? You ready, honey? Okay, this way. Come on, honey. Leave it. Good. Okay, honey. This way. Good girl, honey. Good. Ooh, she went over that one. And she's going to go over this one. Come on, honey. This way. Okay, honey. Okay, honey. She's not going to have it. Okay, it's too much for her. No biggie. A little too much for the big girl. Just gonna have individual ones. Yes, she did it. Anytime something is too much, meaning she does not go to or through something on the third time, second or third time, then we have to change something, make it easier. Come on, honey. Okay. Come on, honey. Good. There it is. We're happy with that. We're happy with that. Okay, honey, come on. This way. This way. And this way, honey. Okay. Yes. Yes, that's all I'm asking. Now we're gonna stop because he's just freaked out about the trucks. Okay, honey, this way. This way. Maui, good boy, honey. He's a good boy. And she's a good girl. Oh, honey. Oh, honey. Little pressure. Deep breathe for her so she can feel the relaxation vibrations going through my body. Come on, honey, this way. Good. Good. Long, deep breathing. Again, so she can feel the relaxation vibrations going through my body. It just entrains onto her nervous body. Relaxation begets relaxation. Fear and anxiety beget fear and anxiety. It's just so extremely important that learning fearful dogs receive the easy pressure as opposed to the snappy corrections. Now that's not to say when she's being very confident, easy, very confident and going into her cray-cray mode because she wants to get the cat or whatever, that we would not apply a correction. We would. Very, very important. Come on, honey. This way. Extremely important. This way. To read the dog's room, so to speak. Honey. Before you consider any type of strategic pressure or correction. This way. Hi, honey. She's so good. She's so good. Oh, yes, she is. After this, we'll do her bioenergy balancing, relaxation techniques, so she can integrate all of this more thoroughly.